What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while, but I've been super busy buying my dream home. Now, originally I was going to do this like MTV crib style and have someone follow me with the camera so I could show you guys my house and everything, but I just want to get something out to you and not spend that much time on it. I want to start getting videos flowing now that I have a little bit more free time and can work in my cars again. So this is my house. It looks massive. It's like the most beautiful house I've ever seen. No, I am not rich. I know it looks like it, but Bianca and I have been obsessed with these old Tudor style homes, and we wanted one really bad, so we've been looking. We really didn't need a house. You guys saw the house that we were staying in. It was perfectly fine, but we just had this dream of living in a crazy house like this and realized that we could make it come true depending on where we buy the house. So back where we live, this house would cost over $1 million. I'm not going to tell you how much we paid for it, but I'm going to tell you we paid about what you would for a really small condo in Southern California or an average house in the state of Michigan. And to do that, we had to buy the house in an area that some might consider not so great. But there are a few safe neighborhoods where we live, and this just happens to be one of them. And it's super nice. All the houses here are nice. All the people here are nice. And just in case, we do have security. So not too worried about anything like that. The way we were able to afford this house is actually through my day job and Bianca's day job. I am a software engineer and she is a hairstylist. We both make relatively average income for what we do, so nothing too crazy. And we were able to make our dream house happen. So anyway, if you want your hair done by Bianca and you live in the southeastern Michigan area, message me on Instagram and I'll give you her information and you can get that done. So anyway, we're gonna move on to the house now. So the house is 3,500 square feet, which is more than we need for the two of us, but we just wanted a house with amazing curb appeal, so this is what we're with, and we can grow into it. So we're gonna go ahead and head in. My dogs are gonna go crazy. Hey, shush. Here they are. Chewie's a little broken. Can't really use his back legs. Hi, buddy. This is actually my favorite section of the house. This is our like spiral staircase right when you walk in. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then the house is filled with closets like these. Most of the closets, the light turns on when you open it. So there's our coat closet. There's tons of storage in this house. All the doors are really old. If we come over here, this is our living room. Bianca's gonna get mad at me for making this video because the house isn't super clean. We're preparing for our housewarming party and we've been here about a month and a half. We're not fully moved in. But anyway, here's the living room. This is the library. This is where we have our games and books and whatnot, and where we feed the dogs. And then if you come over here, here's the gas fireplace since I forgot to show it to you. This is the Florida room, AKA game room. Got my guitar sitting there and video game stuff. This table is here for the party. But, you know, we got my game TV, surround sound, stuff like that in here. You know, Xbox. I don't have the new Xbox yet. Don't mind the happy birthday decorations. We had a party for our friend here recently. Over here, we just have a table where we play like cards and board games, and then a little sitting area over here that's really nice. Next, we'll walk over to this side of the house. Over by Chewy. This house is beautiful architecturally. So you can see all of the ceilings are like rounded like that, and they have this really gorgeous molding. And then all of the archways are actual arches, which is really, really cool. And then if you come over here too, this was an addition, and you have that super pretty arch right there, which is where that window used to be. And then they moved that window out. So this room is like my favorite. If you come over here, we got our dining room, which we don't really have much in. We need something maybe to go on this wall or that wall. And then if we come through the swinging door, this is the kitchen. We have like a little breakfast nook eating area. And then the kitchen right here is just recently remodeled. All stainless appliances, soft close drawers, which is super nice. I've never had anything this nice in my whole life. There's a second staircase, which we'll get to in just a minute. And then over there is the garage. And then there's a small half bathroom in here. Literally the smallest bathroom I've ever seen. To sit on that toilet, you have to sit angled because the wall is so close to it. Basement right there, which we'll get to probably last. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. Up here we have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on this floor. We'll go ahead with the master bedroom first. Here's the master. It's pretty spacious. We have 3 walk-in closets. They're not like huge closets, but here's one of them. This one's mine. And then the one right here on this side is identical. And then there's one all the way over here. We have these built-ins, one right there and one right there on that wall. And then there's this closet right here, which is pretty nice. Same thing, lights come on when the doors are opened up. Just a little area over there. And then in here we have the master bathroom. It's pretty spacious. I really like these arched showers here. This tile is, I guess, worth a lot of money, all the neighbors are telling me. Apparently, a long time ago, AC Delco was struggling and they started making tile, and that tile is actually made by AC Delco, like the same company that makes spark plugs and stuff. Over here we have the second bedroom slash guest room. This is Bianca's ready room. So she has all her makeup and stuff right here, and then we keep some of my extra clothes in this dresser. It's also the Marilyn Monroe themed room. And then over here we have, this is really just a guest bedroom. This is my old bed from my apartment. King size bed, which is nice. If we have people over, they can sleep on that, and then a TV for them. This is, I think, the funniest bathroom. It's watermelon colored, mostly pink. The problem is that you can't use this toilet because like the neighbors can see into this window. So if I'm standing here, like they can actually see everything. So we need to frost that window or get blinds or something. And then, you know, same kind of shower as the master bathroom, same size. Then if we come over here, I call this the north wing of the house. Right here we have like a little balcony that you can stand on that overlooks the driveway. We can go up there right now. So there's the cars in the driveway. And then we have a cedar closet right here. As you can see, pretty nice. Got another closet right here that we store all our blankets in. I'm not gonna open it up. And then here's my office. This is when I work from home. This is where I work. It's 3 monitor setup. We have these huge closets right here that we just have boxes in. Another pretty big closet right here that I got random stuff in. And then another one of those closets. And then another bathroom right here. It's a really small bathroom, but it is, I guess, technically considered a full bath. It doesn't have a shower though. It just has like a single bathtub faucet. So you can only take baths in here, and then this tub is way smaller than the other one. So I don't know why you would ever use that. I might just get rid of that tub and make this like a nicer bathroom. What I would like to do is put a stand-up shower in this area though. That'd be kind of cool. And then we can go back down these stairs. Say hi to the dogs again. We'll come over here to the basement. So So the basement actually has really nice professionally epoxied floors that are in really good shape. This is, you know, the laundry area. We have two washers, two dryers that came with the house. We actually brought that washer from our old house and swapped the one that was here because this one's a little bit better. This is my storage area slash workshop. I can work on, you know, not super messy stuff down here. There's a lot more room than there is in the garage, which I'll get to the garage soon. We do not have air conditioning. We have 2 boilers for heat, and that's it. So we're gonna get some air conditioning units, and then in the future, probably get HVAC. Over here, this is gonna probably have old game consoles, I think, this TV, and a couch right there with another computer set up, and then I'm actually in a band, for those of you who don't know. This is where we're gonna practice. We're gonna have rotating practices, and when we practice at my house, this is where we're gonna practice, which is cool. That is a working wood-burning fireplace, and then the fireplace upstairs is actually a gas fireplace. Also, the floor in this room is terrazzo, which is really cool. So I wanna polish it and make it look really nice, but that's something to do down the road. Over here is kind of where I store all my garage stuff. There's this closet back here, got all my tires, exhaust, some wood for woodworking stuff. And then if we turn around here, we have another storage room, but it is also a bathroom, which is weird and nice, I guess. I kind of wish they were separate rooms, but you know, we got a sink, toilet, and it's nice and cool down here in the summer when it's hot and we don't have air conditioning. Here's the garage. It's not huge, and I have a lot of stuff in here right now. Most of this is gonna go downstairs, so we have a little bit more room. I can't even pull my car here because we got these ladders. I need to hang up the long one, and then the other one I'm borrowing from a friend, so I gotta give that back. There is an air hose set up already in here. I just need to get a reel and an air compressor, obviously. But the lighting in here is amazing. I mean, there's only these 4 LED lights, but it is so incredibly bright in here. Brighter than any garage I've ever worked in before. Open up the garage. We have the FRS and the Mini here. The Civic will be here soon. I actually brought, because I live kind of far from my parents now, I went to their house and pulled the transmission of the Civic, and I brought it here to work on. So we have the Civic's transmission here, so we can fix that. There'll be videos on that pretty soon. And then we can get that thing back together and get it over to this house. So here's the back of the driveway. We have a door to go in the kitchen there. There's the balcony up there, and then garage doors right here. And, you know, we got enough room to park a decent amount of cars back here. We can walk into the backyard so you guys can check that out. So back here, we have a hammock that's not set up. It's been raining a lot, so that's why the umbrella here is closed. This is a really big, nice umbrella. And, you know, patio furniture over here. I need to pull out all this grass and a bunch of weeds. We have so much landscaping, and this pond. The problem with this pond is that it's leaking really bad. I filled it up and got everything running, the waterfall works and everything. And after a few weeks, this is what it looks like, because it just drains through the cement. It's got a bunch of cracks. So I'm gonna try to repair that soon. But this is the backyard. It's not huge. The front yard is a lot bigger. So that's the house, guys. I'm so incredibly happy that I was able to get such a cool house. I never thought I'd live in anything like this in a million years. And I got it before I turned 30. I'm actually 30 now. My birthday was just a couple weeks ago, and we've been living here about a month and a half. So to me, this is like a huge accomplishment. And I know that the garage situation isn't that great, but we're gonna make it work. I'm probably gonna try to get some quick jacks or something. I will do bigger jobs at my parents' house still, but they're over an hour away from me now. Also, my work is over an hour away, which kind of sucks, but I do work from home a lot, so that's cool. So anyway, quick update on the cars. The Mini is not in the best shape. It's got a lot of stuff wrong with it, and that's mainly due to neglect. That car is pretty old. It's 2007. It's got 140,000 miles on it, and I've been dailying it because the tires were bald on the FRS. And now it's got some engine issues. Check engine light comes on pretty frequently about the MAF sensor, but after doing some Googling, it looks like some carbon buildup might just need to be cleaned out. I'm also having issues with the blow-off valve leaking in that car, so it leaks on and off, so I think it's the solenoid that controls it, actually. But that, and now it's got a bunch of oil leaks too, so that car is just kind of parked for the time being. I got new tires for the FRS, so that's my new daily, and the main focus right now is getting the white Civic back up and running. The poop Civic, which is the 2001 Civic, that's what I call it, is gone. I sold it to a friend, but I do still have a lot of videos coming out on that because I sold it to a friend that needed it, but the deal was before I sold it to him, I had to finish it. So I did a whole bunch of work on that car, and it turned out so incredibly nice. I cannot wait to post the videos of that car. So when you see those videos, just know that they're in the past. I'll maybe try to throw in an EK Civic video if I get it done, but I've been really busy lately trying to fix stuff on this new house and trying to sell the old house. Just bear with me, but the videos will start coming back out. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you want more content, and peace out.